Good morning, students. Today we discuss the remaining question of exercise 7.4, chapter Indefinite Integrals, in which question number 11 is I is equals to dx upon 9x square plus 6x plus 5. In this question, first we make the coefficient of x square unity. For this, take 9 common. So this is x square plus 6 by 9x plus 5 on 9. So when we cancel out this 6 by 9, it's 2 upon 3 plus x plus 5 on 9. After this, we complete this square. For completing square, first we take the coefficient of x, which is 2 upon 3. Its half is 1 upon 3 and its square is added. Similar square is subtracted. So this is the identity a square plus b square plus 2ab. So it's a plus b whole square. This is 5 minus 1. This is 1 upon 9. This is 4 upon 9, which is 2 upon 3 whole square. This is the formula of 1 upon a. A is 2 upon 3 tan inverse x upon a plus c. When we cancel out this is 1 upon 6 tan inverse 3x plus 1 upon 2 plus c is the answer of this question. In next question, that's question number 17. The statement is I is equals to dx upon 7 minus 6x square minus x square in question number 12. So in this question, first we make the coefficient of x square is positive. For this, take minus common. After this, completing the square. For completing the square, coefficient of x is 6, its half is 3. So add 3 square 9. When we add this and open this bracket, this is minus 9, so this is plus 9. This means 9 is added or subtracted. 7 plus 9 is 16. 16 is 4 whole square. This is x plus 3 whole square. This is the formula of square root of a square minus x square, which is sine inverse x upon a plus c. So this is the answer. In next question, question number 13, the statement is I is equal to dx upon square root of x minus 1 x minus 2. In this question, first we multiply these two. This is x square, this is minus 2x minus x, which is 3x plus 2. After this, completing the square, the coefficient of x is 3, so its half is 3 by 2 and its square is 9 by 4. So 9 by 4 is added and subtracted. So this is x minus 3 upon 2 whole square. This is 8. This is minus 1 upon 4, which is square of 1 by 2. So its formula is log x plus square root of x square minus a square plus c. When we solve this is log 2x minus 3 upon 2 plus this is x square plus 9 upon 4 minus 3x minus 1 upon 4. So this is the answer of question number 13. In next question number 14, the statement is I is equals to dx by square root of 8 plus 3x minus x square. In this question, first we make the coefficient of x square positive. For this, take minus common. After this is 8, this is x square minus 3x. Coefficient of x is 3, its half is 3 by 2, square is 9 by 4. This is subtracted, this is addition. So 9 by 4 is added and 9 by 4 is subtracted. 8 plus 4 by 9, this is 32 plus 9, which is 41. So we write it as square root of 41 upon 2. This is x minus 3 upon 2. This is the formula of sine inverse x upon a. This is the result. When we solve this equation, this is 2x minus 3 upon under root 41 plus c. This is the answer. In next question, that's question number 15. The statement is I is equals to dx upon x minus alpha into x minus beta whole square root. So for solving this, first we multiply. This is x square, this is alpha plus beta x, and this is alpha into beta. So first of all, completing the square. For completing the square, the coefficient of x is alpha plus beta, its half is alpha plus beta upon 2, and we add its square and also subtract its square. So when we solve this is the formula of a square plus b square minus 2ab. So it's alpha plus beta upon 2 whole square, and its square of 2 is 4. So it's 4 alpha beta. When we open this bracket, this is 2 alpha beta upon 4. So this question becomes, this is x minus alpha plus beta upon 2 square. When we take minus common, this is alpha square, beta square, this is minus 2 alpha beta. So it's alpha upon beta whole square. This is the formula of log x. X is this plus square root of x square minus a square. This is the answer plus c. So this is the answer of question number 15. In next question, that's question number 16. The statement is I is equals to 4x plus 1 upon 2x square plus x minus 3 dx. So in this question, derivative of this denominator, derivative of 2x square is 4x and derivative of x is 1. So in this question, first we take this in the numerator, this is minus half. So this is fx and this is f dash x. So derivative of this function is here. So we use 2x square plus x minus 3, add 1 to this power. So this is half, divide this